In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the issue picker in Jira. The issue picker is a simple but very useful feature that helps you search for and select another Jira issue while you're editing a ticket. This is helpful when you want to reference related work, connect tasks, or make sure the right issues are associated with each other. To get started, log into Jira and open the issue you want to work on. You can open an existing issue or create a new one if needed. Once you're inside the issue, look for the Edit option if you want to add an issue reference to one of the fields. Editing allows you to update the issue and add connections without changing anything else unnecessarily. Next, find a field that uses the issue picker feature. Depending on how your Jira project is set up, this could be a linked issues field, a custom issue picker field, or another related issue field. Click into that field to activate it. When you do, Jira will usually let you search for another issue directly from that space. Now you're ready to search. Start typing either the issue key or part of the issue summary. For example, you might enter something like a project key followed by a number, or type a few words from the issue title, such as a login problem or another keyword related to the ticket you need. As you type, Jira will display matching search results. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you choose the correct issue, especially if several items look similar. Once you find the right issue, click it to add the reference. After selecting it, confirm that the chosen issue now appears in the field. This is a good point to double-check that you picked the correct item before saving. Then save your changes so the reference is stored on the issue. If you want to create a formal issue link, there's also an optional way to do that. Open the Jira issue, then click More, shown by the three dots, or choose Link if that option is visible in your layout. Select Link, choose the appropriate link type, and then use the issue picker again to find the related issue. When everything looks right, click Link to complete the connection. Finally, verify that the connection was added successfully. Reopen the issue if needed, then check the linked issue section. You should see the related issue listed there. You can also click the linked issue to open it and confirm that it's the exact one you intended to connect. That's how to use the issue picker in Jira clearly and efficiently.